Hola clase, hoy vamos a hablar de unas cosas. Número uno, los adjetivos demonstrativos. We're going to be talking about our demonstratives, first as adjectives. And when we think of an adjective, we think of the purpose as modifying a noun, and that's what the demonstrative adjective is going to do. And it must agree in number and in gender with the noun that they modify. In our demonstrative, we have three groups. We have this and these, and then that and those, and then another group of that and those. We think of these with this and these. I like to say this and these have T's. That and those do not. So this and these have T's. We have the este group with este, estos, esta, estas. So we have our masculine and feminine group. And a key word is going to be aquí. So we have here. Then we have two groups of that and those. And they're not interchangeable. The that and those, first we have the ese group with ese, esos, esa, esas. And our clue word is allí, which is there. So we have here, there, and then we have that and those with the aquel group, aquel, aquellos, aquella, aquellas. And our clue word is allá, and that's far away or over there. So you can kind of think of it as here close to you, the speaker, there in the middle, and then allá, way over there. So we have here, there, over there. And again, these function as an adjective. So I like this dress. This must agree with our noun. Our noun is vestido, which is masculine singular. So we need the masculine singular demonstrative. This and these have T's, so we're going to need their top group. And it's masculine singular, so we have este. Then, I do not want to eat those tacos. Okay, so now we look at the Spanish and we see, no quiero comer tacos allí. Here is our clue word allí, which is telling you which group you need, this middle group. Tacos is masculine plural, so we need esos tacos. Here we have our next one. She likes that book over there. And so here we have the allá. So we need the aquel group. We have libro, masculine, singular. So we have a ella le gusta aquel libro. Again, all of these function as an adjective, and they agree with the noun that they modify, what comes after. We also then have demonstrative pronouns. The demonstrative pronouns, again, think of what a pronoun, how it functions. A pronoun takes the place of a noun. So they're going to be able to stand alone. So they're the exact same words, but they have accents on them. And again, this and these have T's, still rules. This next says that since it's a pronoun, we say this one and these ones. That one, those ones, etc. And again, we still have the same clue words, aquí, allí, allá. And so we have este, esta, estos, estas, ese, esa, esos, esas, aquel, aquella, aquellos, aquellas. And again, the only difference is that they have an accent and then that these stand alone. So when we have these, you need to look at your sentence. You can easily tell which one's going to be the adjective and which one's going to be the pronoun, because the pronoun stands alone. So that one, meaning the book, is new. So I have that one. I look at here and I have allí. So that's going to be my clue word. Needs to agree with book. So I have ese es nuevo. That one is new. I have this paper and you have that one over there. So I'm looking at my Spanish and I have two blanks. I'm looking here and I see paper, that's my noun, and a blank before it, so this has to be my adjective, this paper. So I look up here, this, and I'm in this group, and so I see that it is going to be yo tengo este papel, and you have that one over there. That one is still referring to paper, so it's still going to be masculine singular, and I have over there. And so then I'm going to be using the aquel group. Y yo tengo este papel y tú tienes aquel. Okay. These are blue and those are green. So I'm referring to a skirt, and a skirt is falda, which is feminine singular. So here I'm going to be looking at, so it should be skirts, excuse me. So I have these are blue, so I'm going to be looking here. This and these have T's, so I'm going to be up here. So I would say estas con acento son azules y, now this one I have de allí, so I'm going to use this one, y esas son verdes. Okay. Por fin, tenemos las comparaciones. We have comparisons. This is a review in Spanish 2. To compare two unequal things, actions or quantities, use these constructions. This is kind of like a plug and chug. We say más plus a noun, an adjective, or an adverb plus K, or menos plus a noun, adjective, adverb, and K. So if you want to say something is prettier than, or taller than, or someone is nicer than, whatever it might be, this is what we want to use. So I have more books than Gloria. So we have our three spaces. So yo tengo, and again, we want to use our formula here. So we have más, so we say más, and then books, libros, que. So más, and we had our noun, and then we had que. She is taller than her sister. Taller is an adjective. So we have más, she, so we have alta, que su hermana. He is less lazy than Juan. So we have the word less, so we're going to be using then menos. Él es menos perezoso que Juan. So here you have your demonstratives and your comparisons. Adios.